With FileViewPro, there's no need to buy Adobe Illustrator just to open an Illustrator file. You don't need Microsoft Office just to open an Excel spreadsheet. The same can be said for just about any proprietary file type you can imagine. With FileViewPro, you can edit files without having their mother program installed. Fix red eye, crop and color correct a Photoshop file. Edit, save, and print a Word or other document. You can have multiple files and file types open at the same time thanks to the tabbed interface, similar to tabs in your browser. FileViewPro eliminates the expense and frustration of trying to track down a specific piece of software to open a specific file type. Aside from saving untold hassle, it saves money too. FileViewPro can also handle any common audio format and play any video file, including DVD formats. No more searching for video codecs. It can open any common file type, from a PDF to TIFF, an XML spreadsheet, or a raw picture file from one of hundreds of supported camera raw formats.
This product was reviewed by Butterscotch.com using the 2 Cows Cow rating system. The rating guide focuses on 4 key areas. First, the overall reviewer's opinion at 20%. Second, program enhancements at 18%. Documentation help and support factors count for another 25%. And the most important factor is usability, which makes up 37% of the score. This results in a cow rating out of 5. This software received a rating of 5 cows out of 5.
Go to solvusoft.com to see all the file types FileViewPro can handle. Hit the download link to download and try it out for yourself. Or you'll wish you had the next time someone sends you a .wtf file you can't open.